Hi beloveds, my name is Joy and today I'll be showing you how I like to make my super easy and simple chocolate ice cream cone. So I know I've said this a million times, but I love chocolate. So anything chocolate, let's do it. And yeah, that's all. Let's go! So the first thing you want to do is to combine your frozen bananas together with cocoa powder and peanut butter, as much as you want really. And next, add some vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon or so. Following that, add milk, just a little bit at a time. I added about 2 tablespoons and yeah, it's time to blend it all together. You will probably know when it's ready. It will look something like that, creamy and smooth, and this is where you can add anything you like. I add cacao nibs because it's healthy and adds a really nice crunch. Besides, it completes this whole chocolate ice cream thing. And look at how creamy that looks. Ben & Jerry's is shooked. Okay, just kidding, I love Ben & Jerry's, but sometimes you just want some guilt-free treat. So this is where this chocolate ice cream recipe comes in handy. And yeah, it's time to put that into the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. It actually really depends on how cold your freezer is and how patient you are. To bring my ice cream a little further, I'm going to melt some chocolate in a more unconventional way because I was too lazy to bring up a double boiler, but trust me, it works. See, as you can see, it works perfectly. Finally, it's time to scoop a big scoop of ice cream, and you definitely could have done a way better job than me, but it's okay. Let's just move on to squeezing out that chocolatey goodness on top of the ice cream, and lastly topping it off with a raspberry or a cherry if you had one, or a strawberry or blueberry or whatever berry. So good. I probably just wanted to enjoy my ice cream and not talk, but let me translate. This is so good. I have no words. Make this. Bye-bye! Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking right here on my face. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace, grace and joy be unto you. Bye everyone!